Good morning, children. Welcome to Read and Learn. Today, we're going to answer this activity by filling out the missing letter to complete the word. Are you ready, children? Let's begin. Here, the missing letter is it's letter B. It's a bat. The missing letter is letter H. It's a hat. The missing letter is letter C. It's a cat. The missing letter is letter G. It's a bag. The missing letter is letter R. It's a bar. The missing letter is letter D. Bad. The missing letter is letter U. It's a bug. The missing letter is letter E. Bag. The missing letter is letter I. Big. The missing letter is letter O. Pot. The missing letter is letter E. It's a jet. The missing letter is letter P. It's a cup. Good job, children!